Let's do some side crunches. So we're going to trap the pole between our chest and our biceps, bringing our legs together and bringing them in front of the pole. Our hips are also in front. Now this is a deadlift position. And if bringing the knees all the way up is challenging, just bring your knees halfway up. Or you can also try staggering your legs, stepping in front, lifting the outside leg up, and then lifting the inside to meet them together. Now take a look at my hands. My inside hand is nice and low while the outside hand is right on top, and I'm using that chest and bicep compression, keeping my hands nice and low. Let's do the other side. So the pole is trapped between the chest and the biceps, hands are low, legs are in front. Again, start with the stagger if that feels the best for you, or you can also bring the legs together and go into a deadlift position, drawing the knees upwards. And you can start low if that feels the best for you, or you can start drawing the knees higher up towards your elbows and holding a little bit longer. Now let's look out for this. Careful with stepping in and jumping into the pole. That's using momentum. Also make sure that you point your toes and not flex your feet. And if your legs are in line with the pole, it'll be really difficult to draw them up. So bring the legs forward about 1.5 feet from the base of the pole.